You'll see in a man. Chris.
Whoops.
Yeah.
I'm hoovering the boxes.
So much dirt. Oh.
Right, wait, Chris, stop. No, Chris, wait, no, Chris, no. Oh, okay, just kill him now.
Silly noob.
Sorry.
That's
What
right.
was supposed
There'll
to
be
be?
another spot. There'll be another spot in a second.
Oh, just for the Blitz trophy?
Yeah.
I just used one.
Yeah, don't matter.
Sorry.
You only need one. We'll do it to you.
Didn't. Oh.
Yeah, that's right. We'll do it to you.
Don't just run in. Silly noob.
Run in. I was shooting at a distance.
It's okay. Right, get all your boxes.
Come on, I was nowhere near that.
Yeah, but you vacuumed it, so it come towards you. Right, James, equip your blighter. Chris,
Yeah,
back
okay.
up a little. Right, I'm gonna group them all up. When I've got a group off, and use it on them.
Uh-huh.
Okay, do it.
Whoa.
Okay, yeah, swap over. Chris, you equip your blighter. No.
Yeah.
Top
that
right.
one. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, knock
James,
out
you've got to
Alex.
move forward. Right, wait till I've got them grouped up.
Do I need to lock on?
Yeah,
no,
L1
oh,
and then R1.
There we go. Okay, now you can just kill everything.
How many did you need to get with it?
3.
Ah.
Oh, easy. No.
Oh. Oh.
Chris, you still haven't got the trophy for the plasma launcher, have you?
No, he hasn't. He should have done it there.
I don't
Sorry.
have...
There'll be a spot in a man. Wait, you haven't bought it yet?
No?
Oh shit.
Oh my
sorry.
god.
Oh, fuck. Chris, you are about to get your plasma trophy.
Okay, Chris, you can get your trophy now.
Okay,
Oh
you
my
can't.
God.
There's no way I can buy it.
Whoops.
You got me caught in that. James, wait, stop. James, bring out your zircon.
My what?
Your Mr. Zircon. Bottom left.
Oh yeah.
And then bring out your normal combuster and kill all them. Right, just keep running forward and killing everything, James. Okay. That got you about halfway towards that trophy.
That was not 50.
No, it was about 30 or 40.
Okay, I won't do that again.
Do what? Oh.
Jump all over the... Oh shit. Oh.
I'll do it.
Launch over to me. Right, come on over.
Whoa. Actually landed in your thing?
Yeah? Because you connected to me with your tether.
I look like an angry monkey.
You pretty much are an angry monkey. I mean, even though you're the president of the galaxy, the vice president of the galaxy is a one-eyed monkey.
Let's see who you're running against.
No, he's the vice president.
Yeah, the vice president's always the one who the president runs against.
Yeah, and I won.
Yeah.
So I'm not running against him.
No, but you were running against a monkey, so it was either you or a monkey. Who do you think people are going to choose?
Hey man, I've seen what my character's like.
Yeah.
I'm surprised I won. I'm proud I won.
Yeah, you pretty much should be. Double points.
Oh man.
Alright, kill everything, James. Do it, kill it.
Good work, team. You couldn't have done it without me. All systems are operational.
You guys stole all the health and I'm dying here?
No, that just was none.
I saw a health then.
Well,
Oops.
Chris fell
I
off.
saw that.
I did do purpose.
You were so beast, bruv.
I'm beast.
Yeah, boy. Oh, James is gonna die, James is gonna die. Oh.
No, he's not.
Stick your shield on.
I'm busy shooting.
It's only down and then up. Okay, stick your shield on. You are gonna need it here. There's going to be a lot.
But there's health. Ugh.
And you do need to get the hits in it. Bolts. Yeah, you can't have your shield on then switch to another weapon.
Oh.
What does it mean when my blaster starts?
You're out of
I
ammo.
ran out of ammo.
Right, James, get these boxes.
What bosses?
The ones to my left and now. No, Chris went for the others.
I'm gonna name you Philip.
What are these green things?
I'm gonna name you.
What green things?
These.
Oh, those are what we just like smack down to turn off the power to the force field.
Ah.
Smackdown.
Spin.
Getting
Spin.
shot.
Okay, just run straight up here.
Let's do this.
Spin.
Q-Force activate.
Oh yeah.
And once again, straight up.
Well played, Ratchet.
Don't worry, you
And
won't
spin.
die. We aren't gonna make it.
Didn't look like we were. What's this? Oh, checkpoint.
Yeah, let's just check what that one is.
Um.
How did you die, Chris?
Yeah. Did you run off the edge?
I guess I did.
Oh shit. I thought I did then as well.
You guys need to notice these boxes.
Oh.
Come on, Chris.
What? What?
Bitch, please. I is
What are we
beast.
using for this?
The swing shot.
It's like string.
No, it's a swing shot.
Ugh.
I'm just trying to get you fuckers killed here.
Nice. More ammo.
I hurt the mushroom.
Oops. I'm
The
sorry.
fuck, you dick!
He did it on purpose.
Yeah. I whoa, go back. I need the ammo. I'm out of ammo.
Yeah, you don't need ammo for this.
President Clark is back in the game.
Go ahead, Ratchet.
Yeah.
I can guarantee you will not shoot another shot.
I just did.
Okay, you won't need to shoot another shot. Yeah, you have to do it with the mortar slam, which means you have to suck someone out with the cannon. By the way, James, there's bolts over here on the left.
Should I shoot? Slam him or what?
Yeah, you have to wait
There you go.
until he goes green like that.
Let's do this.
Whoa.
Did you not see me back away?
I didn't even know you was in my thing.
And we are done with this level now.
Yay!
See, I told you didn't need that ammo.
Hey, I shot 2 bullets. I needed that ammo. Otherwise, I couldn't have done that.
2 whole bullets.
But yeah, you see what I mean about it being dead eat lols.
What the hell?
Oh, this game does not want you to live, Chris.
Aw. Started to dislike this game now. Does it even drop me off properly?
That was awesome.
Yeah. We got Immortal Boltmaster, and then, oh, where's the noob? This game's starting to love you now, Chris. Okay, see
I'm
if you
not
can
even
upgrade
here now. Oh, thank you. What am I upgrading?
See if you can do your special. Which, no. Okay, what the fuck?
The fuck is that? Oh. Oh yeah, should I upgrade my Mr. Zircon?
Yeah, get ammo and power. In fact, no, you got 100k, you may as well get them all.
I need 1 million though.
Yeah. You will easily get 1,000,000.
I've got to play this like 5 times.
No, once is enough.